Creating an affiliate program can be a huge source of growth, but typically finding the right partners that are actually going to bring in qualified traffic is a total pain for affiliate marketers. Thankfully, by using Similarweb digital marketing intelligence, you can source top affiliates in your niche in minutes. Let me show you how. Let's start in the competitor affiliates tool. Here I can see which affiliates are driving traffic to my competitors, so I can analyze the brand fit of those affiliates for my program and ultimately qualify those affiliates. Let's say I'm on the affiliate marketing team at Walmart and I want to find affiliate opportunities based on who's already working with my biggest competitor, Amazon. Here I get a huge list of websites that are referring traffic to both sites and their relative traffic share, meaning I can filter to find sites that are sending traffic to Amazon but not to Walmart. To do this, I'll click Referral Opportunities. I'm instantly able to identify some massive potential partners that we've been overlooking at Walmart. I'll add them to a list for future reach out. We can also use the Keywords Affiliates tool if we're looking for affiliate partners for a specific niche or product category. Let's say we're specifically looking for partners who can help drive our video games revenue. We can enter video games as a keyword, and we're presented with tons of relevant partners to choose from, including their average monthly visits over the last 3 months, so we have a sense of their traffic potential. With one click, I can check out a potential partner. Game Rant looks interesting, reviews and news related to games. We can get a sense of which products GameRant.com is already promoting by seeing where their outgoing traffic is going. Surprisingly, they're sending barely any traffic to retailers, so this might not be the partner for us from a brand fit perspective, if they're not already promoting products. At this point, we can either go back to the master list we have from the Keyword Affiliates tool, or we can head over to the Similar Sites tool, which, as the name would imply, finds sites similar to whichever domain you enter. It's a powerful tool because you can use it either to find similar affiliate sites or to find businesses similar to your own who may be working with affiliates you'd like to partner with. Let's take the similar affiliates angle, entering GameRant.com to find even more potential partners for us. GamesRadar.com sounds like a potentially perfect fit, just from the domain name alone. And within the outgoing traffic tool, we can see that GamesRadar.com is already sending a large portion of its traffic to marketplaces. Bingo. It looks like they're already sending traffic our way at Walmart, but sending 3 times more traffic to Amazon. This might be a good partner to engage with about some exclusivity in exchange for better affiliate terms. Also, we can always benchmark affiliate performance in the Affiliate Performance tool. This is a great way to vet partners on an ongoing basis and to keep them honest as to where they're sending traffic and the quality of said traffic. So let's say we're Caesars Palace, a casino in Las Vegas, and we want to ensure our affiliates are giving appropriate emphasis to our business. Maybe we have a partnership with visitlasvegas.com that stipulates that they will send a minimum of 10% of their outgoing traffic to Caesars' website. I may want to look at the affiliate visitlasvegas.com's outgoing traffic to ensure compliance. In this case, I'm seeing 11% of traffic directing to Caesars' website, so we're in good standing, but not by much. I'll want to keep an eye on that and reach out if it slips below 10%. And as a bonus of sorts, out of the corner of my eye, I'm also noticing vegasmeansbusiness.com, which sounds like it could be a great affiliate that we're not already working with. Definitely one to dive into further at a later date. I hope you found this to be a helpful overview of how you can build a winning affiliate program using Similarweb digital marketing intelligence. Want to see firsthand the value it can bring to your affiliate program? Try it for free. Just check out the link in the description.